In this question, we've got -8 plus +3. Because we need to add these integers using zero pairs, the first thing we need to do is show each integer using counters. This value here is negative, which means we're going to represent it using 8 red counters because it's negative. The next thing we need to do is show +3 using counters. And because it's positive, we're going to represent this using 3 green counters. Next, we need to match up our zero pairs. And zero pairs are made by adding 1 red counter and 1 green counter, because it's like saying -1 plus +1 equals 0. So here we have a zero pair. Here we have a zero pair. And here we have a zero pair. What we're left with is our final answer. Since the remaining counters are all red, that means our final answer will be negative. And because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 counters, that means our final answer to -8 plus 3 is -5, because we have 5 red counters remaining. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on the Math Review.